Hey guys, I just got the Mythic in the new season. Baron's double barrel. Back. Back. Very powerful pistol. See oh my god, let's go. He's so low. No, it's just too short. See if we can get this guy. Yeah, I've changed my name. I know it's really cringe. I really want to change that. I'm sorry if this is cringe on you. I'm really sorry. I spelled my name wrong as well. How did I miss that? Having two shots really does help. I don't know if I want to push this guy though. For like ages. I should have tried and got him with the Mythic, but I feel like that's a Nintendo Switch player that I just killed. Because they always peak for ages because their sensitivity is just crazy. I won! Yo! Guys, I just won with the most OP loadout in Chapter 7 Season 2. Hope you enjoyed that small little video. Expect more soon, very soon, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.